Today you are going to learn the common questions and answers that is asked in shopping. So before we continue, there is a disclaimer for all of you. Please read it carefully, and now we are going to continue. So when you go to counter and you talk to a cashier, and she looks at you and asks, "Bitte schön, kann ich Ihnen helfen?" So yes, please. May I help you? Yeah, ich möchte. So there are basically 3 or 4 different sentence structure. So ich möchte means I want, or I would like to. Ich hätte gern, yeah, I would like to have. And then ich brauche, I need. And then you can use the name of the articles, 200 Gramm salt, Salz oder 200 Gramm Salz. Wo finde ich Salz? Haben Sie Salz? So, where can I find salt? Haben Sie salt? Or do you have salt? Wir haben keinen mehr. We don't have any more. Then you can also ask something like, möchten Sie sonst etwas? So that's the dialogue from the cashier. Do you want anything else? So you can either answer, ja bitte, 1 Kilo Tomaten. Then you can, it means, yes please, 1 Kilo tomato. Was oder wie viel kostet 1 Kilo Tomaten? So what is the cost of 1 Kilo tomatoes? Then she will answer you something like €1, €2, something like that. Nein, danke, das ist alles. So now that's all for today. And if you want to take part in my groups, please join my Facebook group and WhatsApp group and Telegram group. The link is in description below. Bye bye.